Zodwa Wabantu shows off serious ass in a thong dress. Guys. Someone went and sold Zodwa Wabantu an unfinished dress. Or only a quarter of her dress. Insert confused face. Okay, by now everyone knows that Zodwa is a proud nudist, but seeing her booty on full display in a thong dress still left social media shook. Zodwa raised the bar on what seems to be a music video set for Skido's music video for his latest single, Saro. Loosely translated, it means thigh. The entertainer shared a string of snaps from what seemed like a normal, body-hugging gold dress posing next to the legend. Then she turned around and bam. Or should we say bum?